Welcome back. In today's video, I wanted to take some time to show you how to remove Microsoft Office from your Mac. Microsoft Office is a popular suite of apps that includes Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Outlook. But those apps have been known to have quite a few issues, especially the Mac versions, that require the suite to be deleted and then reinstalled. If that sounds like some of the problems you've been having with the suite of apps, then let's get into it. Before you delete Microsoft Office, there's just a couple quick housekeeping things I should mention. 1. After you delete Microsoft Office, you won't be able to open any of the files unless you download another app that supports them. For instance, Apple's Pages app will let you open Word, Numbers will open Excel files, and Keynote will open PowerPoints. It may not be formatted 100% correctly, but you should be able to at least open the files. 2. You should make sure you have a backup of your hard drive. Even though you're only deleting the apps and not the files, you're still playing with the data on your Mac. You don't want to delete or corrupt anything by accident. Okay, great. Now that we have that out of the way, we can start. The first way I'm going to show you to uninstall Microsoft Office is by using the app CleanMyMac X. It's designed to optimize your Mac, so you get the best performance out of it. And one of the key features is an uninstaller. Head over to the video description and hit the link to download and install CleanMyMac. Once you've got the app installed, open CleanMyMac X. In the sidebar, click Uninstaller. Then click Microsoft. Select Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Word. Finally, click Uninstall. That's all there is to it. And if you're uninstalling Office to help fix a problem, when CleanMyMac is finished, then you can just go ahead and reinstall the suite. Next, I want to show you how to remove Microsoft Office manually. But to do that, it'll depend on which version you have installed on your Mac. Let's start with Microsoft Office 2011. First, you need to open a new Finder window and go to your Applications folder. You can either click on Applications in the sidebar, or click Go and then Applications. Next, click on Excel. Hold down the Command key on your keyboard, and then click on PowerPoint, Outlook, and Word. Finally, drag all of them to the trash can in your dock. To uninstall Microsoft Office 365 is a little more involved. You have to first remove the apps from the Applications folder. In a new Finder window, click Go from the top and then click Applications. Again, click Excel. Then hold down Option on your keyboard and click PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, and Word. And now drag them all to the trash in your dock. Here's where it gets a little tricky. Office 365 also installs quite a few support files. So, in Finder, you'll click Go and then go to Folder. Then copy and paste this folder into that pop-up window and delete all of these files. Don't worry, you can find this list in the video description as well. Again, click Go and go to Folder. This time copy this folder into the pop-up, and these are the files you're looking to delete. Then, when you're done deleting those files, restart your Mac. Obviously, uninstalling Microsoft Office manually is a bit more intensive, but not impossible. But at any rate, that, friends, is how you would remove Microsoft Office from your Mac. Be sure to check out the video description for any links or additional details. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep watching tips and tricks for using your Mac. See you next time.